Hello fellow crafters, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and if you're new here, welcome. Please stick around. Today I'm going to be ending my journey of Dollarama diamond paintings. So just to recap really quick, a couple weeks back I stumbled across one painting, that would be this one, of the blue flower, and then went back on a bit of a hunt and found some more. So I spent the last several videos showing you what these diamond paintings are and what the quality is, and now I have this one last one to go through. So let's do that. So this one, number 5, I have seen this one when I first started diamond painting. I actually almost bought this off of Amazon, and I'm telling you right now, if I'd bought it off Amazon, I would have paid a lot more than $4. So I was really quite happy to see this for $4. So just gonna, like I always have been doing, show you the picture right there. And then I'm gonna put that off to the side and pull out the painting. So these are budget paintings. Again, this painting cost $4, and it is a 40 by 30 or 30 by 40, however you want to say it. So this one has 26 colors. None of these that I've seen so far have had any special drills or ABBEY drills or anything like that. They're just plain diamond paintings. Okay, so first of all, let's just take a look. You get your basic kit. This is all you guys need to get started with diamond painting. So again, if you're looking to get into this hobby, you live in Canada and you have a Dollarama near you, go buy one of these paintings and try it out and see if you like it. So the basic kit comes with your plate of wax. That's more than enough to get you through a painting, your basic pen, and your green boat. That's all you need. You can embellish the hobby with a whole bunch of other stuff, but this really honestly is all you need to get going with your diamond painting, of course, and your drills. But all of that comes in the kit, and that's the nice thing about this hobby. So like I said, I just about purchased this when I first started. I liked this picture, but I would have paid a lot more than $4 for this picture if I bought it off of Amazon. So I'm going to zoom you in, and let's just take a look at this canvas really quick. So as you can see, the canvas is incredibly, incredibly clear. I'm not seeing, there is a Q on here. Is that a Q? Yes, that's a Q. It's a little dark, but it's offset by a really light 4. Oh, I'm in the wrong area here, sorry. So if you see here, this Q is a little bit dark, but then there's these light 4s and this light 1. So I don't think it's going to be a problem even though it is a little bit dark. And if you do happen to have a light pad, that will take care of that. Other than that, I don't see any other color that's going to give me any difficulty at all. It's very, very clear and very, very easy to look at. I'm going to zoom you back out. Okay. So the next thing we're going to check really quickly, and I've said this on every single one of them, and this is no different. Very, very good stick. And that's important. You want to have good sticks so that your drills will stay on the canvas. Believe me, I've had experiences with other diamond paintings that did not have good sticks, so that is something that's really important. The next thing is we're just going to quickly measure it. Generally, on a budget-friendly painting, you're going to lose about 5 inches. So if we go side to side, oh, I'm on inches. 5 centimeters, I meant. So again, this is 35 instead of 40. I never have understood why they do this, but they do. And it's 25 instead of 30. So that's about right. Sometimes some companies will even make them a bit smaller. So the loss of 5 inches, I'm okay with. It's a decent size. This is going to keep you going, especially if you're brand new to it. It's going to keep you going for a little bit, but it's also not going to keep you going so long that you're going to get bored of it. All right, now let's take a look at these drills. So you get your package of drills. Like I said before, 26 colors. Sorry for the crinkling. Comes with the territory. And let's just flip these around. The first color is 160. It's a really pretty grayish purple. We've got 225, 310, which is number 3. It's a black. You'll get to know that number if you diamond paint a lot. 310. Lots of 310. No, the next one is 312, 327, 413, 469, 471, 524, 550, 552, 553, 604. We've got a 644, 645, 646, 746, 792, 934, 3033, 3348, 3609, 3750. That's a nice navy. 3803, 3836. And 3865, which is the closest thing you're going to get to a white on this one. So my final thoughts on Dollarama's $4 diamond paintings. Go grab them. Go grab them if you find them, especially if you're interested in trying this out. You cannot go wrong. The quality is better than I would expect for $4, and it's better than I have seen on paintings that cost a lot more. That's where I'm going to leave it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and do all those, you know, YouTube-y things. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Go grab somebody you love and give them a great big hug. And you guys take care, have fun, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.